Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a line break using HTML. So we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell and we'll add in the content. Python is an object-oriented programming language, followed by its design philosophy, emphasizes code readability with its use of significant indentation. So if we run this as is, there is no line break. So let's add a line break between the first and second sentence. So we can use the BR tag here, so the break tag in HTML. So we add a break tag here, and this will create a line break. So if we wanted two line breaks, what we can do is we'll recreate the two sentences. We can actually add two BR tags. Code readability with its use of significant indentation. So after running this cell, what it will create is two line breaks. So there will be a white space here in the middle between the two sentences. So there's a white space here. So this is how to add line break using HTML break tags for Markdown cell contents in Jupyter Notebook.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.